The goal of our development was to improve every aspect of fully automated heat exchanger cleaning. HYDROMATE is the solution. Every component is solid, extremely robust, and ready for industrial use. Compact transport modules make use flexible and easy. Digital recording of the tube patterns speeds up the setup on site. The system was developed with extensive practical experience and offers better cleaning results. Teams get specialized training in small groups, both theoretical and practical. Quality reports ensure reliable results. Setup is made simple by thorough planning. Radio remote control means the operator can move freely and is never in danger. Individual hose feed technology makes for efficient cleaning, even for localized tube blockages. Low visibility from aerosol or working at the stationary head channel of the heat exchanger is not an issue. HYDROMATE is highly reliable in use. We are Industry 4.0 ready, and our support team is there for you, wherever you need us.